Hey everybody, if you like my content, please like, comment, and subscribe. Today we're going to be looking at this beauty. This is the STI DVC P. STI is what Staccato called themselves before they changed their name to Staccato. This bad boy chambered in 45 ACP, as all 1911 models should be, in my opinion. I have shot the 9mm versions and they're real smooth too, but I wanted the one that's in 45 ACP. Look how smooth this is. Look at that. This thing is smooth as butter. This is a 45 ACP with a 15+1 capacity. Thing is beautiful. Whenever you shoot it, this thing is so smooth. It's got built-in comp. Look how sexy it is. It's got the dragon scale grip. Got the cutouts, got the RMR on top. Look at this trigger. Look how smooth this trigger is. Look at that. You see that? Nothing. It's got the 45 ACP here on the barrel. One of my favorite guns in the collection. Awesome to shoot. Feels good in the hand. That is smooth. Look at that. Nice. You see the dot in there? Oh, there it is. RMR red dot. Solid. Surefire light. Comes bright. I like these throw switches better than the push button ones. Activate it with trigger finger or offhand. You can use it with the thumb. It's one of my favorite guns. They took the 1911 and then just really worked it over, made it nice. Has the fiber optic front post sight, tall. The rear sights are tall enough you can still see them through. If the optic fails, you can still use your iron sights. This gun's awesome. One of my favorites. The 1911 in general is one of my favorite guns, and this one just really brings it into modernity. Only problem is they're so expensive. I don't know if I'd want to carry it. If I ever had to use it, police station would carry it or keep it for who knows how long, even if it's a good shoot. And that trigger's so sharp. Look at that. That trigger, so crisp, hardly anything. Well, anyway, that's one of my favorites. I will see you guys later.